welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have a haul to share with you guys. So basically about a month ago I went shopping on Shopee, and if you don't know what Shopee is, it is basically an app and it's kind of like a marketplace. There are a lot of shops in it. You can shop local stuff. It's very similar to Gmarket. It has like clothes, it has makeup, it has homeware stuff, it has food, health products, all those kind of things. So it's basically like a marketplace. So recently they launched their China marketplace, and if you don't know already, I love buying things from China because their things are actually really quite trendy, and I feel like it's because whenever I go to a fashion store here in Singapore, I look at the clothes and it's like they cost like maybe $40, but I've seen it on like China shops before, like Taobao and stuff, and most of the time it's a lot more cheaper. So since then I've just been shopping on China websites, China shops, and I just really like it. Like all my clothes are, I feel like, literally from China. So I was very happy to know that they have launched their China marketplace because there are 3 special points about their China marketplace. The first one being their products are generally cheaper on Shopee than on China websites such as Taobao. Second, there are no shipping charges, and third, there are no agency fees as well. So to shop on their China marketplace, I downloaded their Shopee app, and right at the homepage there is a China marketplace tab, so you just click on it and there you go, you have entered the China marketplace, so you just shop from there. So another feature I love about Shopee is that you can actually chat with the seller, so you can ask them about the size, the color, about anything. So basically when I placed my order, it was in February. So once I was checking out, they told me that the items will only come in March. So I felt like the period was a little bit long, so I actually asked the sellers like why does it take so long to reach me, and basically they told me that it was due to the Chinese New Year season where they will shut down their factories and their deliveries, which is why there is a delay. Otherwise it actually only takes like 1 to 2 weeks to reach you. So I really like this feature because it makes it really convenient to clarify any things that you want to know about the product or anything about the shipment and stuff. Okay, so without further ado, I want to share with you guys what I got from Shopee. So starting with the only jewelry piece that I got because I'm actually wearing them right now, and it is this pair of earrings. So if you're into fashion or beauty, you might have seen these earrings before, like these ball earrings. Basically Denim from Close Encounters, she wore them, and I think a lot of people just really like them, so they were all over Shopee. And so I think these cost like $2 to $3, so it's definitely a lot cheaper than the original one, which I think is from Revolve or something, I don't know, but it's definitely a lot cheaper. So there are a lot of colors available, and I decided to go for the orange, yellow and peach one because I think it really matches this top. Like when I bought the earrings, I really thought it will match this top very well, and I think it looks very summery as well. Moving on to the next item. This item is also really random and just out of nowhere. This item is probably less than $2, and it is a MacBook keyboard protector. I have had my MacBook for like 2 years, I want to say, and I know that I should get a keyboard protector, but I just never got it until now. I just saw it on Shopee and I was like, oh yeah, I need this, so I ordered it and it came, it fit well. I've been enjoying it, I guess. It makes typing a little bit different, but it's not difficult or anything, and it protects my keyboard and it protects the screen as well, which I like. So let me just put it back. So yeah, that is a keyboard protector. Moving on to the next item, I have 2 phone cases, and basically my previous phone case was the one from Suck Life, and that one broke at the top. So I was just browsing through and I saw that they have a lot of choices of phone cases, so I decided to pick 2. So this is the first one, and I really like this one. I really want to change to this one, but I also like the other one. But this one is a picture of the moon changing, and I think my favorite part about it is that it has the purpley blue thing going on. So depending on how you move it, the light and stuff, you can see like the reflective bit, and this one is rubbery, which is nice because it's soft and it protects your phone. So I really like this one. I think the quality is actually really nice, like identical to the photo provided, so I like this one. The other phone case is one that I received first, which is why I have it on my phone. This one is a Sailor Moon IS case, and I really like it because I think the pink really matches my rose gold iPhone, and I think it's really cute even though I'm not into Sailor Moon. I just think it has a really nice, cute effect. Did it work? Oh, and this one is a hardcover and it has like a matte finish. This one is a little bit more expensive, I think, but I really like it. I like the design, so I didn't mind the price. And yeah, it's a hardcover, which I don't mind because my previous case was also a hardcover. Moving on to the next random item, I have a beach blanket, and I've always wanted one for some reasons. I love beach holidays, so I'm thinking of planning one, so I think that's the reason why I really wanted a beach blanket, so I can bring along with me and I can sit on the sand. And yeah, I picked this one. It has a seafoam and blue print on it. It's very like tribal looking, and you can even like put it at home, you can hang it on your wall. That's what I saw people do. Oh yeah, and at the circumference there are these tassels, which I think really gives it the beach summer vibe. I actually really like it. I didn't thought I would like this design because it's quite random, but I actually really like it. It's very vibrant and the material is so soft. So soft. I wasn't expecting it, but it's really soft. I think it would be really nice to sit on, and it's actually really big. I've tried it already, like I spread it out on my bed, and it's really nice. I like it. Before we move on to the clothing items, I have a bag, and I've actually been using this a lot already, which is probably why it's like the strap has torn a little bit, because I put a lot of stuff in it. I really like to put my laptop in it, and I like to put my cables in it, my charger, everything in here. And I actually really like this bag because it's just a really simple tote bag, and it's able to fit in a lot of things, especially my laptop. I think this is like the perfect heading down to edit videos bag, because it can fit my hard disk, it can fit my wallet, my headphones, my memory cards, my laptop, my charger, everything. So I really like to bring this to just go down to Starbucks and edit. And the best thing about this is that it not only comes with this bag, but it's actually a set of 4. So it comes with this big bag and this one, and it actually has like a strap. I'm not sure where it is, but I'm not sure where the strap is because I don't think I'll ever use it. But you can actually use this bag as a crossbody, but I don't really like it. I prefer using it as a pouch. So previously I will put my charger in here, but currently I have just all my makeup in it. I use it as a makeup pouch, and it's really nice because it's actually really big, so you can put a lot of stuff in here, which I like. It also comes with this slightly smaller pouch. Oh yeah, here are the straps. This is the strap for the crossbody bag, which I didn't use. I actually didn't use this pouch yet because I didn't know what to put in it, but it comes with this little pouch, and it also has this, what's this called? Wristlet. So you can just use it like that. And last of all, it comes with this, which is a card holder, which I don't use, but it's actually quite convenient because my wallet is really small and doesn't have enough card compartments. But yeah, it comes with this card holder. So yeah, it's a 4-in-1 and it comes in a lot of different colors. There is grey, brown, black, red and pink, and I chose pink because my laptop bag is pink, and it's close to the shade of pink, like it's really close, so I thought it would match it really well because when I bought this bag I already knew that I want to use this as like a bag where I put my laptop in, so I made it match my laptop bag. But it comes in black, brown, you know, these standard bag colors. I actually really like this. Like I said, I've been using this a lot. This one also comes with a zip so you can zip it up. I think the quality is not like the best or anything, but once you hear the price you might want to get it. This whole set only costs like $8, like 8 something, so like $9. So one bag is only like $2. So I think it's really worth it. If the strap really comes off of this, I might actually just get a new one, and I might get like a brown or something because I think that will look really nice as well, or a black. But yeah, I really like this. It's so affordable. I cannot believe it. Moving on to clothes, I've got 2 tops and 3 bottoms. So basically when I was shopping on Shopee, I didn't really have the urge to buy new tops because it was Chinese New Year and I've already bought my Chinese New Year clothes, so I just didn't really feel like buying any other tops. So I was actually thinking of getting tops for my boyfriend, so that's when I went to the men's section and that was when I saw that they actually have a lot of really nice t-shirts. And if you guys didn't know, I love wearing t-shirts. I've actually even mentioned in a favorites video that I love wearing t-shirts, so I thought I would get a couple of like men's t-shirts just to lounge around the house in or just wear during like casual days. So the first one that I got is this one, and it's a Stranger Things top. I've mentioned in a favorites video before that I love Stranger Things, so I've actually always wanted to get a Stranger Things t-shirt, but I just couldn't find it in the women's section, and who knows, they actually have this in the men's section. So Stranger Things, I got it. I forgot how much is it, but I love it. This one actually fits really well for me, and this is a size XXS. So yeah, I really like it. Stranger Things. The material is really soft as well. The next t-shirt I have is one that I thought I got in a really big and baggy size, but for some reasons I got an S. I think because it's like in the men's section, so I thought that the cutting will be a little bit bigger, so I went for an S and it should fit me like an M, but for some reasons it's not baggy enough. So this is a white t-shirt and it says Champion. I believe this is a brand or something. I'm not really the most trendy person, but I believe this is a brand, and obviously this is not the real deal because this is like $15. But yeah, it fits pretty well as well, so it's not really the baggy style I was looking for. But yeah, got this t-shirt, casual t-shirt, and it also feels really soft. So yeah, I like it. Moving on to the bottoms, I've got 2 pairs of shorts. I love wearing high-waisted shorts and I feel like I never have enough of them. Like I'm always wearing the same few pairs of high-waisted shorts. So I decided to get some more, and surprisingly it was really easy to shop on Shopee for these high-waisted shorts, and the both of them came and I love the both of them. And so the first one is this. Sort of like a medium blue denim shorts, and the ends are like undone, I guess. And at the back there is a rose patch. What size? S. Fits really well and I love the cutting of it. It looks true to the photo available, so I like it a lot. The next pair of shorts is a slightly less casual looking one, and it is this black pair of shorts and the ends are like folded. I've actually never owned a pair of black shorts that looks like this. Even though it's quite a wardrobe staple, I've never got a shorts like this, so I'm really happy I have one now because it goes with everything. So really like it. I got it in a size S, fits really nicely as well. The very last item is a skirt, and it was the latest item that came because I ordered it in the size S but it was out of stock, so the seller told me to pick another item, but I just couldn't find another item that I like. So ended up he or she told me that they only have it in L size, so I was like, just give me the L size. So yeah, I got it in L size. I've never worn L size clothes in my life, but this is the L size skirt. I really like it because of the color as well as the pattern of the plaid. It's not too flashy, I feel like, which is why I like it, and it also reminds me of the one that Blackpink wore, so I just want to try it out. I actually have a plain black and plain white version of this sort of pleated skirt, but I seldom wear them because I feel like they are really flare and they are really short at the same time, so it makes me feel a little bit uncomfortable wearing them. But I feel like this one's great because it's actually a pair of skirts, so there's like pants underneath, so you don't have to worry about flashing yourself, and the length I feel like is a really good length. It's not too short, maybe it's because it's L, I don't know. And the quality actually feels really nice. It actually feels even better than the ones that I own, so I can't wait to wear this. So those are all the things I got from Shopee. If you're interested to shop on their China marketplace, you can download their app, and I have a discount code for new buyers. Basically, when you spend a minimum of $15, you get to take $7 off with my discount code. So yeah, I will leave their link in the description box below so you can check them out. And with that said, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you very soon in my next one. Bye!